Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So if you've been thinking of switching up your look with a brand new hairstyle and you're in need of some major hair inspiration, be sure to hit that subscribe button because you have come to the right place. And here we have a beautiful angled bob style. I love the dramatic angle that the stylist is doing here. So chic and modern. Next up, we have someone switching up their hair color. So she's going to be doing more of that chocolate brown color trend. Ooh, beautiful, perfect hue for the fall season. And I love the sheen on her hair. The stylist did these gorgeous old Hollywood style waves. Very pretty. Next up, we have a bit of a chop transformation. So she has some pretty long waistline hair here. Looks like she wants to go shorter with a bob. All that hair is gone. Beautiful bob hairstyle. She ended up getting a nice little chic jaw length bob cuts. Very nice. And then we have someone in the salon chair for a cut refresh. Stylist mixes in some color. Beautiful Pixie bob makeover here. I love the dimension on the hair with the blonde. This is so beautiful. Oh, I love the shape. Very pretty. And then we see another long to short hair change. stylist does a bob cut. Wow, that is a lot of hair. She got a color refresh as well. Oh, so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out this, the last big chop transformation.